is Sharon Palmer. I'm a registered dietitian, and I'm going to show you how to make avocado dip. To make an avocado dip, we start with one sliced avocado. We have half of an avocado slice right here, and I'd like to show you how easy it is to scoop out an avocado to slice it for an avocado dip. I've simply sliced out the avocado, and I'm just taking a spoon to slice it out. It's so simple. No peeling required. So we have one ripe avocado, and you want to make sure you've selected an avocado that's fully ripe so that it will mash easily. And then we'll add 1 clove of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of prepared salsa, the juice of half of a lemon, freshly squeezed. And then if you prefer, just a pinch of salt, this is sea salt, and black pepper, up to your preference. So now that we have all of our ingredients, we just simply mash the ripe avocado with a fork. And as we're mashing, we're mixing together all of the ingredients. It's very simple. And this is when it comes in handy to have a really ripe avocado. So you want to mash it with a fork until it's smooth but yet lumpy. You definitely want some of the texture of the avocado to come through. We're almost there. So you can see some of the salsa, which adds a nice bright spiciness. And we've got the garlic to add a little bite. And that's really it. So simple. This is really nice served with chips or fresh veggies. It's a nice appetizer for a party. This has been Sharon Palmer, and I just showed you how to make avocado dip.